Hi guys, welcome to Flexpipe 101. Today you have a dream team with Esteban and myself, Julian. We'll show you, we'll teach you about what kind of surface to use. We sell mainly half-inch plastic and a quarter of an inch plastic, but you can use whatever material you have in stock. A lot of people have wood because they're making doors or windows and or metal stamping. You might have some metal sheets, so please feel free to use whatever you have in stock. And Esteban is going to talk about what are the different options to mount the plastic surface or any decking actually.
Absolutely. So depending on whether you're using a half-inch, a quarter-inch, or anything thicker, we're going to use different applications to install the surfaces. Our first way that we want to talk about is using a pipe clamp, and we're going to be screwing it from the bottom. So the way we do that is by making a pilot hole and using a half-inch metal screw to secure the pipe clamp to the surface. The other way that we do this from the top is using the AO shims. We're going to install the surface, clamp the surface together, drill through the surface, shim and pipe at once, countersink, and finish off with a flathead metal screw. And then the other way is to do an inset, and that we're using an AI corner. Once again, we're going to pierce the surface and countersink the screw, and in this particular case we're using a nut and bolt, and this works really well when you want things to prevent things from sliding off, such as a shelf.
And I know for sure that a lot of people are using this to make shadow boards or KPI boards, so they have a nice frame. So a lot of people are asking, when you drill through the pipe, does it affect the pipe rigidity? Or
that's a very good question, Julian. No, it doesn't. What happens is that we're creating more contact points between the surface and the pipe. So if anything, you're reinforcing the entire structure.
Right. All right, guys, hope that helps. And well, thanks for watching.